So, ayan na nga guys. May nakuha kami sa Great Good Deals na ReadyWise Emergency Food Supply, 132 servings. And for how much? 74.99 cents. Tara, buksan na natin. 315 grams. Tapos, meron ding barbecue beans. Yan. Oh my God, ginawa lang siya noong 2024. So, it's
Bago pa
basically new.
Kunin natin yung dalawa doon.
I know. Balik tayo bukas.
Balikan natin ng mga bukas.
So, ito lahat yung entrees, breakfast. May
Tingnan mo
breakfast!
yung likod.
Tapos, meron ding meat, Southwest-style chicken, roasted chicken, puro chicken, cheesy ground beef, savory roasted ground beef. Not bad!